Hi everyone and welcome to this Fantasy Art Friday video. In this video I'm working on a painting of a mushroom house, and this is completely different to the kind of stuff I usually work on. I often work on character portraits and creatures and landscapes and animals and those kinds of things. So this is really pushing myself out of my comfort zone. And also, to add another challenge to this, I decided to work on a digital painting. So there's multiple levels of difficulty here, and I'm really pushing myself this week. My idea was to blend traditional and digital methods, so starting off by working on a pencil sketch, then continuing to refine the lines and make sure the lines were as smooth as possible before I took a photo and brought it over to Photoshop for the painting. It was honestly really exciting to work on something so different from my usual stuff. And when I think back to when I was younger, before YouTube, I used to always spend time working on stuff like this, and I never used to draw characters or creatures. So it's interesting how things have turned around since then, and I'm always drawing characters now, but I never work on stuff like this. I feel like it would be a good idea for me to try ideas like this every now and then, to continue to push myself out of my comfort zone, and also because I feel like there's some really fun possibilities there. So let me know what you think of this idea. I really had a great time attempting this painting, and I hope you enjoy the video. This was such a fun painting to work on, and I truly would love to attempt more stuff like this in the future. So please let me know what you think of this, and also let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. If you want to see more stuff like this, then feel free to subscribe, and any likes or shares on this video, they really mean a lot to me. If you want to follow my progress and see photos before I post these videos, then please check out the links in the description box below to check out my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all soon.